Let's slide it. Here comes A for apple. B. B for ball. Let's slide the C. What comes here? C for cat.
3, 2,
D. Let's put it on slide. D for dog.
look at it go.
Here comes E. Let's slide it. Yay! E for elephant. F. Push it harder. F for frog. Here comes G. Give it a slide. G for giraffe. H. Push harder. H for horse. I. Yay! I for ice cream. Here comes J. Slide. J for juice. Here comes K. Put it on slide. K for kite. Next is L. Yay! L for lion.
Again. Oh, a rainbow.
Here comes M. Slide it. M for monkey. Here comes N. We are putting it on a slide. N for nest. O. Give it a push. O for orange. Yay! Here comes P. P for panda. Our next letter is Q. Give it on slide. Q for queen. Here comes R. Slide it. R for rabbit.
It's a R.
Yay! Here comes S. Whee! S for sun. T. T for tiger. Let's slide U. U for umbrella.
Yay! Look at the V go.
Give it a try. V. V for van. Here comes W. W for watermelon.
Go, X, go.
Here comes X. Wee! X for xylophone.
E goes.
Let's slide Y. Y for yacht. Here comes Z.
Look at the
Z
letters.
for zebra.